In this video, we will discuss about the cardiovascular system. Mainly, we will focus on the blood circulation. Types of circulation. There are three types of circulation. First one is the pulmonary circulation. That is the flow of blood between the heart and the lungs, because pulmonary means the lungs. The second one is the systemic circulation. That is circulation of blood between the heart and the cells of our body. And the third one is the coronary circulation, that is the circulation of blood within the heart is known as the coronary circulation. So first we will discuss about the systemic and the pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation is the flow of blood between the heart and the lungs. In pulmonary circulation, the deoxygenated blood from the heart go to the lungs and absorb oxygen and release carbon dioxide, and the blood become oxygenated. Then the oxygenated blood goes back to the heart. This is known as the pulmonary circulation. That is, deoxygenated blood is converted into the oxygenated blood. Then the systemic circulation. It is the movement of blood between the heart and the rest part of the body. In this, the oxygenated blood out of the cells return to the deoxygenated blood to the heart. The rate of blood that flows through the systemic circulation is always equal to the flow rate through the pulmonary circulation. So first we will discuss about the pulmonary circulation. The movement of blood between the heart and the lungs is known as the pulmonary circulation. First, it transports the deoxygenated blood to the lungs through the pulmonary arteries, and in the lungs the deoxygenated blood release the carbon dioxide and absorb oxygen. फिर क्या होता है? Then the blood become oxygenated. Then this oxygenated blood is carried by the pulmonary vein into the left ventricle, and it completes the pulmonary circuit. Similarly, the movement of blood between the heart and the system is known as the systemic circulation. The systemic circulation begins with the distribution of oxygenated blood by the aorta, and it branches to whole part of our body, and the collection of deoxygenated blood by the vena cava, which pours the deoxygenated blood into the right atrium, and it completes the systemic circulation. The heart is involved both in the systemic as well as the pulmonary circulation. The heart is actually two separate pumps. The left side of the heart pumps for the systemic circulation, and the right side of the heart pumps for the pulmonary circulation. The left side of the heart consists of oxygenated blood brought by the pulmonary vein from the lungs. The systemic circulation circulates the blood throughout the body except for the air of the lungs. The oxygenated blood from the left atrium flows into the left ventricle, and it ejects the blood into the aorta, and the blood flows into the systemic arteries, arterioles, capillaries, veins, which carry it back to the right atrium. Then, the right side of the heart consists of the deoxygenated blood, and it pumps for the pulmonary circulation. It circulates the blood through the lungs. The right ventricles eject the blood into the pulmonary trunk, and the blood then flows into the pulmonary artery, pulmonary capillaries, pulmonary vein, which is carried back to the left atrium. Then the coronary circulation. Coronary circulation is the circulation of blood in the blood vessels of the heart muscles, that is the myocardium. The blood vessels that delivers the oxygen-rich blood to the myocardium is known as the coronary arteries. The vessels that remove the deoxygenated blood from the heart is known as the coronary vein. That means coronary circulation means blood ka circulation within the heart. Coronary artery supplies the heart muscles with blood about 200 ml per minute. Then there are some terms which is related to the circulatory system. First one is the heartbeat. It is the spontaneous contraction and relaxation of the heart to pump out the blood. The heart contracts or beats for about 70 times per minute, and each heartbeat lasts about 0.8 seconds. Then cardiac cycle means the cycle of events which occur in a single heartbeat is called as the cardiac cycle. Contraction is known as the systole, whereas the relaxation is known as the diastole. A cardiac cycle takes about 0.8 seconds. Blood pressure. It is the arterial pressure of the blood extended on the wall of the arteries with each heartbeat. The normal blood pressure of a human being is 120/80. Cardiac output is the amount of blood flowing from the heart over a given period of time. The cardiac output equals to the stroke volume into the heart rate. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.